So let's try some, see what we can get here. So that's a lot of cool pattern. Oh, that's the wrong stuff. That's not what I wanted to do. All right. That's what happens in 15 miles. To put varnish down. Let's put a little varnish down. Keep doing that. Okay, well, let's see. I put varnish on it. Let's see if that stays on. Okay, it does. Although I put too much Galvy paint right here, and it would get covered. All right, well, I'm just going to go ahead and paint this painting. So how do I want it? Where do I want it? So let's put our white here. Let's put our black down here. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Let's see if this works a little bit better. It may be the nozzle. Fortunately, it's not the nozzle, it's the can. Oh, come on. Actually, I was thinking I wanted no. I get a little bit of red in here. And we're gonna this looks terrible right now. Hopefully, oh, that's heavy duty. Oh, let's try this. Worked good on my last painting. Better than I was expecting, so let's just see what this does here. Lay that flat, rub it on there. That's interesting. Okay. This combination of colors looks like garbage to me right now, so I'm crossing my fingers. Let's see here. Maybe not that one. Let's try these. Just gonna get some edge colors. This is the ugliest set of colors possibly used. So on this edge, let's see, different texture. Maybe too much, I don't know. It's too dry. A little bit. Nope. That's all you get. Okay. Still looking ugly. See where this goes. Gonna get some black. Really get some black in there. Okay. Now, get some white. we go. It's different. It's definitely different.